Hello everybody! I am Bobbo. Today I will show you how to make an omelette. Are you ready? Follow me. First, crack the eggs into the bowl. Then, beat the eggs very well. Then, cut the green pepper into small pieces. After that, add some salt, some pepper, some oregano, and some feta cheese, and mix everything together. Now it's time to cut the omelette. Put some olive oil in the frying pan. And pour the omelette into the frying pan. Cook for a few minutes until it's ready. Now, let's taste it. It's delicious. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the little bell, so you don't miss my next adventure. Goodbye everybody. See you soon.